In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Outlook 2026 features. Start by opening Outlook in your browser or launching the desktop app. If you're using the web, go to the Outlook homepage and sign in with your email address and password. Make sure you're on a trusted device and network when you sign in, and follow any on-screen prompts to complete authentication. If your account isn't set up yet in the desktop app, open the File menu and choose Add Account. Then follow the guided setup so Outlook can connect and sync your mail. Once you're in, create your first message by selecting New Email or use the shortcut Ctrl+N. Add your recipients, write a clear subject, compose your message, and click Send. If you're sending a file, attach it before sending and give it a quick look in the preview to make sure it's the right version. To keep your inbox organized, create folders for projects or clients, and drag and drop messages to file them quickly. Set up rules to automatically sort or flag messages as they arrive, ideal for newsletters, reports, or team updates, so the most important items stay visible while everything else routes to a home of its own. Switch over to the calendar view to schedule appointments and meetings, check availability, and manage shared calendars. You can quickly pick a time, invite attendees, and add an agenda so everyone's aligned. Use reminders to keep important events top of mind, and color categories to distinguish work, personal, and team commitments at a glance. In People and Tasks, store and update contact details and track to-dos. Keep tasks lightweight with due dates and priorities, then reference them from your calendar so planning stays realistic. Now let's highlight the 2026 capabilities. Integrated Teams sharing lets you send an email or its attachments directly into a Teams chat or channel from within Outlook. Look for the Teams option in the ribbon, choose the destination, add a note, and share. No copy-paste required. Unified calendar and task management helps you block calendar time for focused work, and those blocks sync with Microsoft To Do and Planner for consistent tracking across apps. It's a simple way to protect your focus time and keep plans in one place. You can also set daily specific working hours in File, Options, Calendar. Define different hours for different days to reflect office, remote, or flexible schedules so meeting suggestions fit your real availability. Search is faster, and you can manage COM add-ins like Teams or OneNote in File, Options, add-ins. Enable only what you need to keep Outlook responsive. Finally, when moving to the new app, Outlook will attempt to import your settings and set up your existing accounts automatically. Review what's pulled in, confirm the accounts look right, and you're ready to go.